Hello friends, first of all thank you very much for all your encouragement and support. In this episode let's understand as to how to answer basic question while attending an interview, as to why are you looking for a change. I have seen lot many people getting fumbled while giving answer to this question as to why they are looking for a change. Irrespective of the fact that you do have 10 plus years of experience or a fresher with 1 year of experience, people often get fumbled while giving answer. So I do have certain set of tried and tested answers for your quick reference which you can use while giving answer to this question as to why are you looking for a change. So my first answer in this regard would be to have more challenges on my plate. Like say for example, if you are working in an organization where you are doing certain predefined set of tasks like corporate katappa over years, and now you want to break those shackles and come out and explore new areas, which is a very good option. Having said that, do keep it in mind that there would be definitely a follow-up questions as to what kind of challenges you are looking in the respective organization. So you need to have set of challenges ready. It could be like say for example, if you are chartered accountant, you are working in a compliance field over years and now you want to come back to your core area of finance. So that could be a very valid reason which you can put forward. If you are a company secretary, if you are working in a secretarial field for ages and you want to break that shackle and explore legal or something related to compliance, then fine. Having said that, please do understand the fact that it all varies from organization to organization, nature of activities that are being carried out by the organization. Then second answer in this regard would be career advancement opportunities. So there definitely would be the follow-up question from the interviewer as to what have you done in this regard in the current organization. So you need to make the interviewer understand that you have had a discussion with your current management and the career advancement opportunities are very limited in this organization and management is of no help in this regard. So that is the reason I am looking for a change. So this is another very good, valid and tried and tested answer which you can put forward before interviewer. Third thing would be job security. Like say for example, if your current organization is struggling financially, then you can put this fact before the interviewer and make them understand that because of this very reason you are looking for a change. Having said that, keep it in mind that when the moment you say that job security is the criteria, then there is always possibility for bargaining. Fourth thing would be salary. If you are underpaid in the current organization, this is another very good valid reason for looking for a new position. Having said that, the moment you say that salary is another factor for moving out of current organization, then it would send a feeler to the respective company that you have a salary as a sole motivating factor, so which should not be the case. So try to be cautious and make a soft sounding with respect to salary part and give them understanding that in addition to salary you have other traits which are all required for performing the tasks which have been given in the job description. And fifth thing would be location. So if you are staying away from your family and you want to join your family, then that could be valid reason for looking for a change. Having said that, please do keep it in mind that interview is not a place to sit back and relax. No, not at all. You need to give your best. You need to sell yourself. You need to market yourself to the prospective employer. So please do keep it in mind while attending an interview. In addition to all of these, you need to ask numerous questions with respect to the job profile, with respect to organization, and also align all your thoughts, share your views. In addition to all of that, while sharing your views, do give a constructive solutions to the problems what this organization is facing, which would definitely bolster your prospects. In addition to all of these, you need to have certain positive attributes, positive attitude, that enthusiasm, that confidence while attending an interview. So I am going to put forward some more tips which you can adopt while attending an interview. First, please go through the respective company website thoroughly. Understand nature of business that are being carried out. Understand their domain, their key area of expertise, their clientele, everything. You need to have everything on your tips, their turnover, their ratio analysis, everything you need to have so that you do have edge over other candidates. In addition to all of these, do attend interview sessions that are being conducted by the respective company. So it may so happen that this company may conduct lot many information sessions over various portals or various social media channels. Do explore those because you get lot much of insight about that company from those sessions. In addition to all of these, you need to have enthusiasm with respect to job profile. You need to have that zeal with respect to moving out of current organization where you are stuck for ages or where you are very much satisfied. And you need to have certain general traits which you can adopt while attending an interview. Always wear a dark suit with light shirt, and also do keep it in mind that always attend interview on time or at least 15 minutes before the proposed time, and always have that smile on your face. Always do a firm handshake, and then always make an eye-to-eye contact. In addition to all of these, after completing an interview, don't forget to send a thank you note. If you adopt all of these techniques, definitely success will be yours. Thank you very much and all the very best. Bye.